to my channel. This week's video is going to be trying on maternity swimsuits. This was very highly requested by you guys. A couple months ago, I did a trying on like regular swimsuits video, and I was 27 weeks pregnant. Now I'm 38, and my belly, especially today, I have noticed is literally huge. I could have my baby any day now. So I wanted to film this video before I have her so I can show you guys some maternity swimsuits. I have them in my nice little hamper that I got from Target. It matches my house. So guys, this was honestly so hard. I've been planning on doing this video for so long. I wanted to find cute maternity swimsuits, and honestly I kind of just gave up on that and just found maternity swimsuits because it was so hard to find something that's actually cute. And especially if it's a bikini, if you just like size up, you can usually get away with wearing like a regular swimsuit that's not maternity when you're pregnant. But I wanted to actually try on some like maternity swimsuits that are made for pregnant women. These videos are always really fun to film because even if I think I'm not gonna like love something, sometimes you're surprised and it looks really great. So I've actually had these for like a couple weeks now. I honestly, like, I can see them, but I don't really remember like what I fully like ordered or remember what it looked like on the website. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started trying on some maternity swimsuits. All right, so looking through my hamper, these are my choices. So I have 6 of them. I think maybe this one looks like it could be promising. So I think I'm gonna start with this one. So I just opened it. I think this one is a one piece. Most of these were either like one pieces or I think they were like tankinis or something. I can't really remember. It was like so hard. I couldn't really find any like bikinis again because you don't really like, there's no fabric there, like where your belly is. So I feel like maternity bikinis aren't really like a thing as much, but this is a one piece, so I'm going to try this on. Okay, so swimsuit number 1 is on. This one's definitely not bad. I actually think it's fine. So it just has little like tank top straps here, which you can take off. And then it has the little arm things. This is my belly currently. 38 weeks, so pretty dang big because I'm like almost all the way done. But something that I noticed on this one is that like the hips and stuff, there's like a lot of coverage right here. It like goes down kind of lower than I feel like a lot of my other swimsuits do. They would come like up a little bit higher, which that's actually good because when you have like a belly poking out like that, if it comes up higher, then it just like shows more and kind of like looks a little bit weird. So this actually I feel like looks pretty good for like being a maternity swimsuit. It's pretty cute. So this one I think I'm gonna give a thumbs up. I feel like I should have done this one last because I think it's gonna be my favorite, but this one is a thumbs up. These are all from Amazon. I'll link them down below, but this one was $29, so pretty good deal. Pretty cute swimsuit. They have the same thing in like a lot of different prints. This one I think is good. Okay, moving on to swimsuit number 2. I just said that I thought none of these were bikinis, but this one actually is, and this was the most expensive one. So I just did what I thought would be my favorite. I honestly think this will be my least favorite. So I'm gonna open it up and see. All right, here is this one on. Honestly, I'm not really a fan. I feel like, I don't know, maybe just because I'm not used to seeing my belly this big that like everything right now, I'm like, wow, that looks really weird. But this one, it is comfy. So this is the bikini bottoms. So they go up pretty high, but it's definitely like stretchy enough that it's not that uncomfortable. So it has this blue band right here, and then this is like the printed part, and then this is the top. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why. I think I literally only picked this one because it was like the only bikini that I could find. So this one, I don't want to give it a thumbs down just because I don't like it, because I bought it like knowing that I didn't really like it, but I wanted to like try on a bikini. I don't know, but I definitely like would not, this isn't one that I would like actually get and wear just because I don't really love it, but I don't know. So here's what it looks like. This was also the most expensive one. It was like $63 or $64 or something. Yeah, so it was like pretty dang pricey. So there's the front, the side, the back's nice because it's not like too skimpy. So I don't know, this one is very interesting. You'll have to let me know what you guys think of this one. Okay, moving on to swimsuit number 3. I think maybe we should try out this one next. This one might be the same style as the first one. Okay, wait, yeah, so I must have like not realized it and got the same exact thing, but in a different color. Still try this one on just to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this is definitely the exact same one that I already tried on. Guess I just like didn't realize they were the same, but here's a different print if you guys wanted to see what it looks like. But still give it a thumbs up. This one is nice if you like the style. This is like a good maternity one. Also, if you guys are wondering where this bruise came from, so am I. I honestly have no idea. It's been there for like a week, and it also had like a scratch on it. I think it's from when my dog was climbing on me in the car. I have really no idea. But anyways, thumbs up to swimsuit number 3. Alright, next I'm going to do this one. This looks like it maybe says baby on it. So, gonna open this up. Oh wait, this is the same company as this. Okay, so we'll do this one first and then this one. Can't remember what exactly. Oh, baby watch. Okay, this is kind of cute. I feel like this could be a good one. Okay, swimsuit number 4. This one definitely feels the cheapest. It's actually like kind of cute. This would be fun for like a picture or something. But this one was, I think, $29, pretty much like 30 bucks. Here it is from the side. It definitely has like plenty of room. For all of these, I just got a size small. I think with maternity, a lot of the time you like get your normal size and then it's like modified to fit like a belly too. So this is a size small. I feel like it fits pretty normal. They have this also in like a lot of colors. This one is like super bright and neon, but this one's fun, so I'm gonna give this one a thumbs up. But the material of it is definitely not that nice, just so you guys know. The other ones have been like a lot nicer, but I actually think this one is pretty cute, so thumbs up. Okay, so this next swimsuit is also by that same company, and it was also the same price. It was $29.99. This is another one that I actually like and think is cute. I feel like this one might actually be my favorite. So I'm gonna open it up and see. So this one is just a one piece. I feel like the print of this is so cute. I think I'm gonna like this one. So this is what this one it looks like on. I think this one is definitely my favorite just because the print is like really cute and the style is also really nice. So just like a normal little one piece, has again plenty of room for a belly. There's like even extra room in here if I like kept getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So this one's also gonna be a thumbs up. And something I'm noticing pretty much with like all of these maternity ones is again what I mentioned with the first one, how this area like right here has more coverage instead of just like a normal swimsuit. It goes up a little bit higher, and these are actually the first like maternity one pieces that I have tried on this summer. I got a couple just like regular one pieces and they were just like size large so that there was like more room for my stomach, but they definitely were not as like comfy right here. So at the beach I was like trying to make sure I wasn't flashing anyone, but I was also less pregnant, so my belly wasn't as big. But especially if you are needing a swimsuit for like later in your pregnancy, I feel like maternity is definitely the way to go, which maybe is obvious. I was like always trying to just squeeze into regular ones because they're cuter, to be honest, but at this point, being 9 months pregnant, these are feeling pretty good.
But don't you try to call me tomorrow.
Alright, so we're finally on the last swimsuit, and I just looked this up and actually realized it's again the same company that the last two were. So this one was also $29.99, and this one's actually different. It's a Tankini, so we will see. I don't know how I feel about that. So we got the bottoms laid out. I have the top laid out. This honestly looks like it's a lot bigger than the other ones. I can tell there's like extra fabric right here for a belly, which is nice, but just like this top part looks a lot bigger than the other ones, which is weird because it's like the same company, so why would the sizing be different? Okay, so this swimsuit is probably maybe my least favorite. It's actually really nice because you can adjust these little ties. I just am not really a Tankini fan. I got this because I wanted to just like try out different styles. So it actually fits pretty nice. So if you guys like it, it's definitely not bad, but if I was like covering this much, would just get a one piece anyways. But it probably comes in a bunch of different prints. I feel like a lot of these ones that I ordered came in a million different prints. And for the sizing, I would say that like this part is a little bit bigger than normal, but it actually fits me like for the most part pretty fine. So I don't know why I thought it looked so big, but this one is like, it's okay. But here is my belly from the side. So if you guys like this one or like Tankini styles, then This will be linked down below for you. All right, guys, so those are all of the maternity swimsuits I am trying on today. Let me know which one was your favorite. And again, if you guys are interested in any of them, I do have them linked down below. My next video should be my what is in my hospital bag. I filmed that today and I'm really excited for you guys to see it. So make sure you guys are subscribed and you also have my post notifications on so you can see that video when it comes out. But I really hope you guys enjoyed watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.